Three post notification shout out goes to Life with Tears, Shanti McDonald, and Cherry Gavin. Please go show them some love. I want to go over to Tisha and Harry channel, guys. You see me link in the description. Please, may I beg you know and show them some love. You see me, guys? Yeah, I want to go over to them channel, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Man, you know, say a CC and Nathan Senior. You see me, them have some good content over there, guys. So let's go up on the video, like it, subscribe, guys, and turn on the bell. You see me? Do that for me. Who did bomb buckle like this? Yo.
What's up, guys? I don't know say it's a girl CC and from a semi face, guys, and we don't know say it's a epic banger prank me I go drop. So guys, we just come from Outer Road with King a while ago. Him come let have something come give you guys. So we come and we did the over with next door neighbor, Laffy, and Nathan over there. So I say, me I come over because say me can drop a prank for them guys so me get the chance. And you know me I gonna know? Me I go under the sheet, do like me I do something. See look roll and back on, see it? Yeah. Me I go get the lotion. The lotion here, and I go rub it on the top of it, roll and buckle, and make it look like it wet up on them something like guys. So before I get into it, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Spot my comment section with team CC, guys. Yeah. Someone don't know who tell himself go make me get the chance to come over. So guys, I go mash him up right now, guys. So I just watch what I go on. Yeah, guys, I'm out. So yeah, guys, I want to turn on the fan car in your heart, but it gonna make too much noise. So don't mind the clothes them are in not too long. Take them up, guys. You see me? So I just gonna go on that sheet. I'm gonna roll on. I'm feel fit. So I'm not gonna show no one yet. Spam comment section with team C guys, and as on jump, as on see that video pop up, wanna just chop on it, give it a thumbs up, guys. Let me use too much. Wanna see it full of oil? Look.
Alicia. Alicia. Who did bomb buckle like this? Yo. Where are you doing that?
No.
The bomb buckle like that. Kalisha, where the fuck you are doing this? What is this? What is?
I don't know.
So that's my youth, what that? Are the fucking roll on that, you know?
I don't know me that do Nathan.
So what you do on that shit?
From morning me feel unclear but
Oh, bomb buckle like this. Why you?
we did feel away from morning. Nathan!
No, you know how you call me. You know how you call me here. You know, you spread out the fucking clothes them off of your bed and you see what you there do.
You know, does not too long bring them in.
Don't say nothing to me, eh? But you just avoid me.
So you go
Let
back
you
to
say,
me.
buddy, you don't talk to me, you. You're freaking nasty. Look there. Why do you nasty someone, you?
So you go back to me for that.
Look on that.
Stop going so now.
You know how you touch me is a disgrace.
Disgrace for want it from morning. But they're over there so.
Over this one.
So me just say
Over
me
this
come
one.
over and do
Over
a
this
little
one.
trip.
Don't say nothing to me here.
I want to look at something me a
Man,
try.
you know not chatting with me.
So you go back with me?
Man, stop talking to me, you. Don't talk to me. You sick in stomach, you. You're nasty.
That is not nice.
Man, if you don't talk to me. What you call that? Cranny or cranny. You over there cover up on the sheet and me right over this you know, right over this way. And
Me
you
don't
talk
go
about,
call
man, don't say nothing to me. You way hard to make sure say that can please you, you know.
So me never ever call you,
You
baby.
say make sure say that can please you, go call.
And from morning, I want to do something big, but true me never.
You alright here? This my youth, you crying, you know? You crying, you fuck. She didn't even know you got bun me for look for me. You nasty. Look where you are, look where you have. Look where you have put on. Why you know say them thing and just show me in a relationship, me not talk about them thing in a youth cause I fuck with them, you know? Them on a right, Kalisha.
So now please, me I say me can't please.
Please what? With that, shut your fuck, look how that crying, look there.
What did I do good?
My youth, don't say nothing to me, Bridget, but do good. You sick, Mr. Stomach. Take that off of your bed, now take that
Stop
off.
no man, make it
Take
touch
that off
body
of the bed.
something.
Don't take that off of the bed.
If it never ever do good, it then come down with your pan there.
You're nasty, hear you. Kalisha, you know, say. So, yeah, I must prank you try around, you know.
Me a try run prank. Me just did feel one look who you be. That's where I come from over there, so you know. Stop now. Me did feel one look who you be. Just
Don't talk to me, you.
Just look now, me did feel one look who
Boy, you
you
in
be.
here, so I should fucking roll arm in your ass. Yeah, you roll arm. Look on the roll arm back to no quiet. Look at you. You're 6 stomach.
What you mean by look at me?
Bow roll arm.
So look how much somebody are using something there.
You're too nasty. You have to be one of them.
Me I know one of them be, but I want me did feel make me there for come do it.
Okay. I hope when you feel one way, you know, I'm going to link somebody, you know, link a girl, you know.
Listen, I don't link anybody.
Me
I
no
link the
business.
roll arm, so you don't need to go and link anybody. I link the roll arm, so link one sponge. You go one whole night and don't pass the plate.
Sponge your ass.
Nathan,
Just
you
what?
just
Just
feel
what?
one way, B.
Just do,
And you
alright.
just say use the roll
Alright,
arm.
wait till me feel that way.
Stop now, B.
Wait till me know why you call me
You
now.
just
No.
feel wrong.
Nasty.
What me nasty with?
My nasty is not in my youth. I roll on that you could have do it long time, you know.
Do a long time. I the first me ever feel so make me have to draw for the roll on. And that me I tell you. Just understand me as I be.
Just avoid it.
Me I
Please.
tell you say the feeling when I have is like me that go feel. Me could even call you, me have to draw for the roll on.
Feel?
Look how much something up on the roll on buckle for show you. You know must know.
A nastiness that
That
for
is
the roll
not
on, but that should that
nastiness.
too.
Me not that shit way. Cause it's my something there pan.
Me no want it up this way.
And my something there.
Me no want it up this way.
Look pan it.
Yo, move no man. You're 6 stomach self, man.
Look pan it something now.
You still have put that on my face, you would.
So I said bunny.
Bad man, love me alone, you would. You can't do them thing there. What if you do that? I'm there right over this.
Me not go call you, Nathan.
You did go call, man. You
Me not go
don't
call
say
you,
nothing.
but the feeling when me did have me could call nobody or move or nothing, me just have to grab feel roll on and just do me look at thing.
You're good enough. You're good, yeah? You know, not chatting with you. None. All of this, you have to go wash that, yeah?
So where you go?
My, it don't, man. Leave me alone already. I just chat, man, sitting and mood. Go on, where you gonna, man?
Nathan. Ah, 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 ah.
Don't touch me, man. Freaking shit. You know, see a prank you try right?
Hey! No! Hey, guys. Don't me tell you say that one they did go epic, guys. Excuse. Don't look too much. Don't me tell you say this did go epic, guys. Me tell you say the lotion to go pan this, you know. A murder, you know, guys. Come tell the people that how you feel.
My excuse, man.
Come tell the people that how you feel. What you know in Bex? What ya? I saw it feel one time you prank me. Don't mind the nice, guys. Me a sweating all through. Me laugh like a fan because I make too much noise. Nathan. B? Baby? Hey. How you feel? Cool off yourself? Hey. Nathan. Come here. Nathan, B.
Yes.
Okay, now. How you feel? Tell me how you feel.
My,
Come
me
here.
good youth. Leave
Tell
me
me how you
alone.
feel. Come here, come tell me.
Why just leave me alone?
Come here, sweat. How you feel? Tell
Cool
me how
on
you feel.
myself, no man.
Come now, tell me how you feel. Come tell me how you feel. You go turn on the fan and make only fan nice.
Alright.
Tell me
Came
how
out
you
of
feel.
my face, no man.
Tell me how you feel. Come.
You tell it be alright.
Yeah, guys, so when you see that spam comment section with Team CC, like, share. Team CC, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Because you see the boy Nathan get it till him out back with me. So, until then, I'm going to big up on yourself. Give me a kiss now. Give me a kiss when I end it. Me not get that good. Better, me not feel good. One more.
No.
Come.
Love for.
Come.
Alright,
One.
alright.
Yeah, guys.